Hi friends, this is one of my favorite songs, Five Green and Speckled Frogs. It talks about 5 frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are the words to the song. And it starts with 5 green and speckled frogs. Sat on a speckled frog, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. And then you count down. So this will be 4, and then you count down to 3, 2, 1, and then none. So to make it fun at home, there are 5 green and speckled frogs. The speckles are the little dots on them. So you can cut on here or have somebody help you cut, and you can use them as little puppets. If you want, you can attach them to something or be creative, whatever you choose to do, and then you can sing the song over and over and over. Have fun with it, friends. Bye.